Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Cortana cannot hear you, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, see, a lot of people are facing this problem that they are trying to use Cortana, but whenever they say anything, then Cortana does not respond. For example, for iPhones, we say Siri, please do this, and for Alexa, we say Alexa, please do this. So for Cortana, they instruct it. Now the problem is that there is no Cortana in our systems. Even if it exists, it won't work. Why? Search for this article, Cortana end of support, and hit enter. And it says that the support ended in June 2023. Okay, so this basically means that Cortana is not supported anymore and it will not work anymore. So is there a solution to this? Well, there's no solution to this. The maximum that you can do is install the Alexa app or any other similar app for the purpose. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.